For the first time today, WTAJ spoke with a local patient who's tested positive for COVID-19. Arvin Hinckley reached the man by phone. He joined us now live from our State College studio with more on this patient's current condition. Evan, how's he doing?
Well, good evening, Amanda. 25-year-old Patrick Hamilton is one of the first confirmed cases of COVID-19 in Clearfield County. Now, he's currently at home on self-quarantine, but he says he barely has any symptoms at the moment.
I think I was lucky. I definitely had much more of the mild symptoms.
Patrick Hamilton is home in Coalport, Clearfield County, self-quarantining. He works as a travel nurse and last week was at the Reading Hospital in Berks County. During most of his shift, he didn't feel any symptoms until they all hit him at once.
Went to work and was fine for literally 3/4 of the night, and then during the last 2 hours just developed a fever, and then all of a sudden just came on and felt poorly. For me, it started as more of like a dry, hacky cough, and then it turned into like progressive aches and chills and then fevers.
Hamilton tested positive for the virus last Friday. He says he was sick for about 2 days, but then felt better.
I feel great now, actually. Since day 3, I felt wonderful. I haven't had any fevers, haven't had anything. The only real symptom that's lingered is I can't taste or smell anything.
Still, he says he can't shake his remorse.
And I felt bad because I did expose a pile of people, and that was taken care of, obviously, by the facility, but just, you don't feel good about it. You never want to expose people, but I didn't even feel that I was sick.
This highlights the idea that people who have COVID and are mildly symptomatic or even asymptomatic, have no symptoms, can be infecting people around them who will not be as lucky as they.
Hamilton could go back to work in 7 days if he doesn't show any symptoms. This is part of a Department of Health policy specifically for healthcare workers.
They're allowed to return to work with precautions, of course. They're to wear certainly their safety masks and N95s if available, and they're not to be caring for immunocompromised patients.
And Hamilton says he thinks he got the virus from a patient at the Reading Hospital, but because he resides here, his permanent residence is here in Clearfield County, that's where the state lists the case. Reporting live from the State College studio, Evan Hinckley, WTAJ News.